In this video, we're going to be making a
creamy peanut butter frosting.
for the cake.
The ingredients we need is 1 cup butter softened, a half cup creamy peanut butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 pinch of salt, 4 cups sugar, and 1/4 cup milk, or more as needed. And so the first ingredient we need to add
is you're going to beat the butter in a bowl until it's fluffy.
Fluffy,
So we're gonna pour the butter in the bowl.
And you're just going to beat till it's fluffy.
But just
So
hit it.
first, we're just gonna
Smash it.
smash the butter.
Lucas, will you get a teaspoon, honey?
A teaspoon.
So we can.
Oh, yes. Why?
Okay, now when it says beat,
Why, which one is the teaspoon?
it says on the handle.
I think it will say
1 teaspoon. 5 milliliters. Right.
smells like butter.
Okay,
Smells like
now
butter.
I have a teaspoon. I don't know.
So we're just
It's a
going to
lot
beat.
of butter though.
Huh?
It seems
Well,
like
yeah,
a
but
lot
it
of butter.
goes on the top of the cake, so.
No,
It does?
It's frosting.
Oh yeah! I forgot.
Okay.
The whole time we were making sauce.
I forgot. that
Teaspoon. You feel bad for
Right.
what?
No, I forgot we were making
I
frosting.
thought you should feel bad
Mm-hmm.
that you forgot.
So like I did the Cool Whip, just do this and
Yep.
I'm just gonna mix until fluffy.
What are you gonna do for the teaspoon? I don't remember.
It looks kind of creamy.
Looks fluffy?
No, it looks creamy.
Creamy?
4 hours later. Okay, so after you have your butter fluffy, just like this, or just fluffy, you need to take and do the next ingredient.
Which is add a half a cup of peanut butter.
So we have a measuring cup, and we're gonna add half of a cup, but we need a spoon.
Do we have a spoon? Yes.
Yep.
Okay. So half a cup.
Is that half a cup?
I think we need a little more. I'm not sure.
How much?
Half a little bit more. Half a cup is what we need.
Yeah. Sit easy.
I'm not sure because it's
All
not
right,
going
look, throw that away and I'll mix. Open this one.
I'm not sure if that's enough because it's
We
not
need to
going.
flatten it out.
Yeah, to see.
Where's half a cup on there?
Oh, right here. Maybe I think that's enough, but I'm not sure.
All
Should
right,
I-
we'll just do a little bit more. Daddy loves peanut
Peanut
butter.
butter, so. Okay.
There's half a cup.
So once you have half a cup or more, just put it into the butter and then mix the peanut butter and butter until it's all combined. Okay, so here, you spin it. You do it now. Here, get over here. Right here. Yeah, go over. What?
Yeah, he can stay where he's at. He's fine.
Mix.
You're getting tiring already.
If you need help with it. Is that all you need for it?
Okay, you need to add the vanilla extract. Can you give me the teaspoon thingy?
Okay,
Teaspoon?
So
What's the
it's
teaspoon?
1 teaspoon.
And then
so
pour
we
it
need to pour
in.
it over the bowl.
I guess so.
Stop moving.
That was
All right, go.
okay. Much.
And then a pinch of salt. But since we use unsalted butter, I'm going to use just a bit more than a pinch.
Okay.
Because
And then put it in.
unsalted.
Okay, and then you're going to mix that
Alright, so
until
I'm
it's
gonna mix.
smooth.
Da-da-da.
That's smooth, right?
It's actually very smooth.
Okay, so you need 4 cups
Need
of confectionate sugar.
so powder.
Powdered sugar. Yeah, same thing.
Okay, sorry, it's not sugar, it's powdered sugar. Or maybe it's, I don't
It is. It's powdered confectionate sugar. So. Okay. Now one person is going to keep stirring while the other person adds the
Here,
sugar.
you add it slowly. I'll let you
Add it
see.
very, very slowly, Luke.
Well, so I can mix.
Can you reach it?
Don't spill it.
I'm trying to faster but not add too much at once.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot of sugar.
Oh, sorry. That just made a big puff.
I'm about to sneeze.
Don't sneeze. Do you want me to mix the sugar in?
No, it's
So I
just that it's
accidentally
going
got a
into
little
my face.
Sorry. Okay, now my flour.
No, sugar.
Well, whatever. Same kind of thing. I mean, I don't know.
Okay, yeah, you mix it.
Okay.
Can I?
There's powdered sugar in my hand.
Don't blow.
Well, that looks hard.
I mean, it doesn't look like frosting right now. It just
Right now
looks-
it doesn't. What you're going to do is go ahead and add 1/4 cup of milk into the measuring
What
cup.
the cup? Can I
Okay,
do it? Can
fourth.
I do
Wait,
it? Can I
tell
do
me
it?
where the fourth
This.
is. 1/4?
1/4.
Okay,
Please.
Not 1 and 1/4. 1/4.
just one.
Oh.
Okay,
So a little bit underneath that half.
so right here, about maybe.
Yeah.
I'll just put my finger.
Be
in
half of
here.
a half actually.
Okay, you stop.
I think that's enough, right?
Mm-hmm.
So then we need to
You're
add.
going to add it very slowly.
Okay.
So
So until you have it as smooth or whatever it is.
smooth or as thick as you want it.
We're gonna have to see how it's.
Okay. So you're just going to mix this until
You get it all mixed up.
it is completely smooth and looks like frosting.
Yay.
And if
See right now, it looks all
Mushy.
chunky.
Wait.
so,
Set it.
after you mix it all, if it's not like frosting consistency,
Lucas,
then
can
you'll
you give me
add
my
some
big
more milk.
licks? And taste it. There's no raw ingredients in it. What do you think?
It's good.
I like it.
It's peanut butter, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I want to add a little bit more
Milk.
milk. 'Cause this is way too big.
Half of a half.
Just leave it open.
Just pour it slow. Don't just pour a little bit. And then stop.
And we'll see if we need it.
Yeah, we'll see if we.
It actually tastes very good. It tastes better than peanut butter.
Okay, you want to add a little bit more?
Add the rest.
Just a little.
Just
We don't want it to be water
We just want it to be like frosting.
because it won't stick to the cake.
Because if it's like water, it's just going to be a liquid and just. Look.
Okay.
Look, it's
And
the.
that's all the milk we need.
Add
Yeah.
just a touch more.
Wait, no, not yet. It looks better now. Before it looked like way chunkier.
Yeah, now it's getting very, very smooth.
But it's getting hard to mix, right?
Very hard.
It's getting smooth but hard to
Yeah, you
make.
can shrink it out of peanut butter.
Hey, what's that?
Don't do that. Okay. And that's it. That is
Peanut butter.
peanut butter
Okay,
frosting. Okay, and this is what
It looks like.
our frosting looks like after it's all mixed.
So the frosting's finished.
Okay.
Thanks for tuning in on the second show of Simmons Times 6 TV cooking show.